Welcome to Learn and Fun with the Mall. Hello friends art lovers. Today, we're going to create a beautiful piece of art featuring the adorable duo, Dora and Boots, surrounded by a flutter of butterflies. So, let's get started. First, we'll sketch out our main characters, Dora and Boots. Boots, on the other hand, is a bit more subdued, so we'll use a mix of earthy tones to create his look. Now, let's add some butterflies to the scene. Butterflies are symbolic of change, hope, and transformation. They're also a symbol of freedom and beauty. Making them a perfect addition to our artwork, adding depth and interest to our piece. And there you have it. Finally, we'll add some finishing touches to our artwork. Brown color. Dora is a vibrant, energetic character, so we'll use bright colors to bring her to life. Reddish-brown color on her hair and eyes. Pink color. Red color. Purple color. Light blue color. Yellow color. Red color. We'll use a variety of colors to create a vibrant and diverse array of butterflies. Green color. A beautiful piece of art featuring Dora and Boots with a swarm of butterflies. Blue color. Red color. Yellow color. Thanks for joining us on this creative journey. We hope you enjoyed creating this piece as much as we did. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fun and engaging art tutorials. Happy creating!